Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Illustrated Access 2019 Module 5, SAM Project 1A. Our client provide us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. Modifying the client table. Add fields for website, hyperlink, logo, attachment, and notes, long text with append only set to yes. Update client name with a caption as client and limit its field size to 30. Format contract signed and project start as medium date. Step 2. Setting field rules. Mark employees as required, with a validation rule greater than or equal to 500 and a message minimum is 500. Step 3. Adding country code field with lookup wizard. Create a country code field, linking it to the country table and sorting by country name. Enable column headings. Step 4. Setting validation for date fields. Add a table-level rule to ensure project start is on or after contract signed with an error message for violations. Step 5. Datasheet adjustments. Assign DU, Germany, as country code for client ID 1. Attach support AC19_5A logo.jpg to client ID 2, and add a total row to some employees. Step 6. Modifying and saving queries. In the revenue query, set captions, add a total row to count clients and some fees. Save and view in datasheet view, adjusting column widths. Create a parameter query named employee parameter to show the top 5 clients by employees and set a prompt for user input. Step 7. Creating crosstab and find unmatched queries. Build a software components by client crosstab query for a client component matrix. Use the find unmatched query wizard for consultants without clients, saving it as unassigned consultants. Step 8. Final steps. Compact, repair, and close the database as final maintenance. If you need our help, we provide 2 types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268 or log into our website hhelpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.